how to buy stuff on Temu with a gift card. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to buy stuff on Temu with a gift card. Start by opening your Temu account in your web browser. Once logged in, select the product you wish to purchase using your card. After selecting your desired product, choose the color and size options if applicable, then click on Add to Cart. Once added to your cart, proceed by clicking on Go to Cart. In your cart, click on Checkout. You will then be prompted to enter your shipping address for delivery. Next, when selecting your payment method, choose gift card as your preferred option. After selecting the gift card as your payment method, fill in all the necessary details as requested. Once done, click on Continue to Payment to finalize your purchase using the gift card. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.